Oh, and one more thing I forgot to show you is how to show us, just from looking at this first page, which three options of your tic-tac-toe you chose. You have to paint the background. So all you do is put your cursor in the box. So let's say I want to do all three of these, but I want it to stay a different color when my teacher sees this. So you put your cursor in one box. You go up to the little paint can that says fill color and choose something that is light to go as your background. There's a nice light orange, because if you choose something dark, it's going to be a little bit harder for us to read. Not terrible, but I'd advise you to choose something a little bit lighter. We'll go in the middle there. Same thing. I'm going to choose that middle orange and go back up to the paint can. Once my cursor's in the box I want, choose a middle orange, and there we go. I made tic-tac-toe. So over spring break, I'm going to read a book. I'm going to finish reading that relationship story that I saw on Audible. I'm going to do the virtual Adelphi tour, and I'm going to fix my work, make up missing work on Google Classroom. And that's it. Like I said, if you need us, if you need some help, reach out, rewatch these videos, and we will connect with you guys later. Bye.